Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, Simon, thank you.
Nice to meet you. What's your name, please?
My name is Father Ray Kelly, and I'm 64 years of age, and I'm a parish priest in Ireland.
Let me ask you a question. Do you do exorcisms?
Yeah, we can work on David whenever you want, yeah. Do you want me to zap him now or later?
So why have you decided to come on the show?
Well, I thought maybe I'd be the first singing priest maybe to win Britain's Got Talent.
I think you would be.
Thank you.
Okay, so tell me the song and why you've chosen it.
I'm going to sing the RAM song, Everybody Hurts.
Beautiful.
And
I love that song.
it's a song that's kind of near and dear to my heart. I suppose being a priest, you get in touch with a lot of pain, a lot of joy and happiness as well. So I suppose it's a song that I feel I can...
You can relate to.
Yeah.
Great, it's a lovely song. Okay, good luck.
Thank you very much.
So much, David.
Wow, that was a beautiful performance. It really was. I've never seen a priest stand at a microphone and sing like that. You did it with such soul and passion. It just was a really, really brilliant performance.
Alicia.
It was so soothing and calming. Everybody was listening to every single word, relating it to things that have gone on in their lives. And you just seem like the loveliest man. And this is just a beautiful audition.
Thank you.
Well done.
Amanda?
For me, it was everything. It's just brilliant and honest, and the whole congregation was behind you.
Thank you, Amanda. Thank you.
Father Ray, I wasn't quite sure what to expect, to be honest with you, but I'm going to tell you something. This is one of my favourite ever auditions. Really. I really mean that. I think your voice is beautiful. I love the version of the song. This was everything we've been waiting for, genuinely.
Thank you very much, Simon.
Really. I absolutely loved it. Okay, David.
It's a yes from me.
Thank you, David. Thank you.
I'm saying yes.
Thank you, Alicia.
Absolutely yes from me. Well done.
Thank you very much, Amanda.
Father Ray Kelly, I am delighted to tell you you have 4 huge backs.
Thank you, Simon. Thank you.